A third wave of coronavirus is inevitable in India and may hit the country in the next 6 to 8 weeks. This is what the AIIMS chief, Dr. Randeep Guleria, told NDTV in an interview to us this morning. Listen in. A third wave, according to many experts, is now inevitable. The question, therefore, is not if but when. When could a third wave hit India? Some say as early as 2 to 4 weeks. How are you looking at this?
So I do agree with you. The third wave is inevitable, and it's basically based on human behavior, because what is happening is that as we've started unlocking, there is again a lack of COVID appropriate behavior. We don't seem to have learned from what happened between the first and the second wave. And again, crowds are building up, people are gathering. It will take some time for the virus to again start spreading and for the number of cases to start rising at a national level. But you're right, it could happen within the next, I would say, about 6 to 8 weeks, maybe a little longer. But a lot depends on how we sort of go ahead in terms of COVID appropriate behavior and preventing crowds.
Right. So you're saying your estimate says 6 to 8 weeks we could see cases rising once again. Are we prepared for an eventuality like that, given the fact that only approximately 5% of our entire population is fully vaccinated with two doses? Is that enough?
So that is the main challenge. Unless we have a large number of people vaccinated, we have to be very aggressive in two or three things. One is we have to have aggressive COVID appropriate behavior. This is going to lead to another surge in the number of cases. It may take some time. On an average, waves usually take around 3 months, but it can take lesser time depending on how people behave. On the second thing, of course, is that we have to have a very aggressive surveillance. Last time we saw that a new variant or a new a variant which first came from outside and then developed here led to the huge surge, and we know the virus will continue to mutate. So a surveillance which picks up any hotspot and we are able to develop aggressive containment strategy in that hotspot is what is required, and we will have to have aggressive lockdowns in case we see a surge in any part of the country, because unless we have a large number of people vaccinated, we are still vulnerable and we will have future waves in the coming months.